Umalusi uthi umnyango wemfundo yesisekelo kudingeka kuba ungayikhiphi imiphumela yalabo bafundi abathintekayo ekukopeleni. Imiphumela ka grade 12 unyaka u2022 izomenyezela ngongqongqoshe wemfundo yesisekelo Muteka ngoLwesine mhla ziyishumi kuMasingana.
About the reported cases of examinations irregularities, another equally important matter about which Umalusi remains seriously concerned are reported cases of irregularities during the writing of the examinations. According to the reports received from different assessment bodies, different forms of cheating were uncovered in some centers during the examinations. This includes candidates found in possession of crypt notes and or cell phones, sharing of answers via WhatsApp groups, imposters found in the examinations rooms. Some answer scripts had different handwritings, etc. Based on the magnitude of the offenses, different sanctions have been meted out against the candidates involved in such malpractices, such as the nullification of results, barring the candidates from writing the examinations for either one or two examination cycle.
Isikhulu esiphezulu siphinde saxolisa ngokuba nezimpazamo emaphepheni abekade ebhalwa.
Umalusi wishes to apologize profusely for these errors in question papers. The South African public must find comfort in the fact that Umalusi, as a quality counsel, has tried and tested methods to remedy the situation where such unfortunate errors are detected late in the question paper. Our tried and tested approaches ensure that no learner is disadvantaged by the error in the question paper.
Umalusi uthi awuzange ucela ukwelulela isikhathi sokukhishwa kwemiphumela. Lesigungu sithi asikho isidingo sokucela ngoba abayikhiphi imiphumela.
I want to categorically state that that is false information. We have been communicating with members of the media since November last year, saying on the 16th of January, Umalusi will meet to announce to the South African public in terms of how it has performed its quality assurance processes.
Abafundi bangaya ezikoleni lapho kade befunda khona ngoLwesihlanu ekseni ukuyothola imiphumela yabo.